Hello everyone, welcome to Jeidar's live broadcast. In the last broadcast, I introduced you to some details of the company and its main products. Some friends left us messages saying that they are very interested in BH series products. So this live broadcast is to introduce our BH Gangwei products to you in details. This time I will introduce this product mainly from four parts. Part 1. General description. Part 2. Introduction of product operation principle and characteristics. Part 3. Analyze the appearance and display of products. Part 4. Product parameter. The output power factor is 1, and the overall efficiency is more than 96%. The three-level inverter can handle complex loads, very small, simple, and reliable. BH Gangwei series UPS is a small and medium power single-phase input or output UPS, which is designed with DSP digital control technology, duplex conversion, and three-level emitter. It has a new multifunctional and high reliability design. High availability design with an efficiency of 96% or higher is a milestone of high frequency online design. Products are divided into series, high-end version, and 1 to 10 kVA standard version. High-frequency machines on the market now are basically two-level or three-level half bridges. Our products have a three-level full bridge architecture and are very impact resistant, so they are efficient and stable. Jeidar's high-frequency BH Gangwei product line is aimed at high-end customers in small IT data centers. The product capacity is divided into 1 to 3 kVA and 6 to 10 kVA. The above product series are mainly used in small key equipment systems, such as small equipment in financial branches, small integrated data processing centers, key medical equipment, telecommunications equipment, and other industries. For example, it's suitable for indicator lights and signal lights on railways, and hemodialysis machines in hospitals to cope with some complex usage environments. Part 2. Introduction of product operation principle and characteristic. UPS always works in inverter state whether there is power supply or not. When the power grid is normal, UPS filters and adjusts the input voltage, which can effectively eliminate the peak and drop of power grid, eliminate all kinds of interference, ensure the pure and stable output of AC power supply, and effectively change the battery. When the main power supply is cut off or fails, UPS will continue to reverse the output after increasing the battery voltage to keep the output uninterrupted. When the grid returns to normal, UPS works with the grid again, so the UPS inverter always works. Only when the UPS is seriously overloaded or the inverter fails, the inverter will automatically shut down. The main features of the product: high performance index. Advanced high-frequency switching, power supply rectification technology and PFC power factor correction, and adopted input power is equal or greater than 0.99 THDI input harmonic distortion is equal or less than 3%. It's an energy-saving and environment-friendly food source. High power factor and energy saving. Harmonics, actually a kind of interference, are relatively small, have relatively low interference to the power grid, and are more environmentally friendly. This may lead to overheating of the circuit and even fire. Harmonics affect the normal operation of various electrical equipment. In addition to the extra loss, the influence of harmonics on the engine will also produce mechanical, mechanical vibration, noise, and overvoltage, which will lead to serious overheating of the transformer. Harmonics will lead to overheating, insulation aging, shortened service life, and even damage of capacitors, cables, and other equipment. Harmonics will cause parallel local resonance and series resonance of public power grid, thus amplifying harmonics, which will greatly increase the damage of the above point 1 and 2, and even cause serious accidents. Harmonics will lead to the failure of relay protection and automatic devices, and make electrical measuring instruments inaccurate. Harmonics will interfere with adjacent communication systems, and in a slight case, it will produce noise, which will reduce the communication quality. In a serious case, it will lead to data loss and make the communication system unable to work normally. Ultra-wide input voltage range 110 to 300 voltage under full load. Less than less than 15% change can reach 110 voltage or even lower, which greatly reduces the use frequency of the battery, thus prolong its service life. The design of three-level emitter technology can handle complex loads well, and its output voltage and current performance are better. The output power factor is as high as 1 and the overall efficiency is as high as 96%. ECO energy saving mode. The overall efficiency is as high as 98.5%, saving energy and reducing consumption. Leading the industry, single input, single output, double conversion online structure, cap compatible with 208, 220, 230, or 240 voltage and 40 or 60 Hz power grid systems. Overload adaptability, overload capacity, and output short circuit. 1 to 3 kVA, 102% to 110% load running time 30 milliamps, 110% or to 125% change time from 10 milliamps, and so on. When the load is less than or equal to 97%, the acoustic alarm is started and the inverter is automatically reset when the load is less than 17%. It has strong resistance to overload and impact, and the output of the inverter is stable when it hits a high power nonlinear load. It can be used in combination with various types of generators to reduce customers' operating costs. Adjustable adjustable changer under intelligent control. The changing current can be adjusted by 1 to 12 years and is designed with constant changing, floating, changing and balanced changing technology to meet different change needs of customers and prolong battery life. Powerful DC reverse connection protection and alarm function is suitable for 6 to 10 kV models. When DC is not connected, UPS will indicate that DC is not connected. When the DC is inverted due to the negligence of the installation program, the UPS will not be able to open and a DC failure will occur when the positive and negative connection of battery is correct. UPS can resume normal operation and fully protect it from reverse connection damage. In field model, the battery voltage of 6 to 10 kVA model can be switched between 16, 18 and 20 batteries without replacing spare parts. Battery maintenance is easy to operate, and the intelligent test or cancellation of UPS deep discharge can be operated on the LCD screen. It greatly avoids the automatic shutdown when the battery voltage is low, and doesn't need the administrator to wait for the discharge test at the same. In the intelligent deep discharge test, the power inverter will automatically recover when the battery voltage is lower than 11 voltage. Intelligent identification of output short circuit. If the short circuit is cancelled within 3 seconds, the inverter can recover automatically. If the short circuit exceeds 3 seconds, the short circuit will stop the inverter and give a long-term alarm. In case of an emergency, UPS output can be remotely controlled in high-profile EPO mode. Security and stability. Adopt a new generation of DSP digital signal processor to improve the overall response speed, reduce distortion, and make the system more consistent and stable. Using extremely sensitive current peak protection circuit design, UPS has excellent protection performance under the conditions of nonlinear nonlinear load, cold load, shock, and output short circuit. Three-stage inverter technology can cope with the sudden change of complex load and greatly improve its impact resistance. 6 to 10 kV adopts the design of battery reverse connection protection and alarm indication, which reduces accidents caused by installers, not only protects personnel from injury, but also protects UPS power supply and battery from damage, and prolongs the service life of battery. In the design of 1 to 3 kV, the battery is not connected with alarm function to avoid the situation that the battery switch is not turned on or dropped. 6 to 10 kV adopts intelligent fan redundancy, wind speed control and fan fault alarm. When a fan fails, a group of fans will naturally increase the wind speed to cope with the possible temperature increasing caused by the failure, and will continue to work effectively before replace the damaged fan. 123 kV is an alarm when the power supply is not grounded and the input indicator light flashes. Rich choices. Various options can be connected. SNFP Network Communication Card RS485. Dry contact interface and manual maintenance relay. Suitable for 6 kV and above and so on. Okay guys, let's watch a video and we will continue in 6 minutes.
Shenzhen Jeidar Electronics Company Limited. Stick together to forge ahead, spur with a long accumulation. Jeidar Electronics, China top uninterruptible power supply solution provider. Over the past decade since it is established, Jeidar has been focusing on the UPS product researching, designing, manufacturing, sale and service. The headquarters of Jeidar is located at the Nanshan Shekou Industrial District in Shenzhen with the beautiful landscapes, and it has advanced manufacturing factory in Bao'an, Shenzhen. Jeidar's products ranging including commercial and power electricity UPS, inverter, EPS, emergent power supply, battery and related equipment software, as well as provision of professional consulting and technical support service of UPS. The annual product values amount to nearly 200 million yuan RMB. Jeidar ranks among top UPS manufacturers in mainland of China. The company has established a full set of tailor-made quality management information system software platform, Jeidar ERP. It covers the whole process, including PMC production plan, procurement, quality process control, production line and process, and product sales, customer management, customer service, human resource management, training, etc. Today's Jeidar has become a professional ethics and a self-discipline enterprises from a talent management system. The sophisticated high-tech management personnel advance hand-in-hand in the industrialization development path and is spurred with a long accumulation. R&D is the foundation of UPS industrialization. Jeidar R&D Center, established in 1997, possesses a great number of advanced scientific research and technology development personnel and complete R&D facilities. With an international perspective to lead and meet market demand, they constantly devote to R&D and keep leading the UPS technical forefront. From small capacity personal computer to large capacity uninterrupted power supply protection system to a large data center. From telecommunication power supply to special power supply. From imitation to fully digital control technique. Jeidar has formed 9 series covering over 200 varieties in the uninterruptible power supply field. The industrialized production requires for modernized equipment as business. Jeidar's factories are equipped with a complete modern automatic production equipment. to guarantee the orderly and consistent skill production. Jeidar implements strict quality standards into every link from product R&D, manufacturing, sales, and to services. It carries out quality concept of the next working procedure is customer, so as to guarantee each production link and process running smoothly. Jeidar has firstly passed ISO 9001 quality system certification, ISO 14001 environmental system certification among the similar industries, and gained Chinese national compulsory certificate and the European Union CE certificate, etc. Based on its advanced technology, reliable quality, competitive prices, and a good service quality, Jeidar UPS has won the support and acknowledgement from the extensive domestic customers in the fields of finance, securities, government institutions, telecommunications, post and telecommunications, transportation, military forces, industrial and mine industries, etc. Jeidar has established branches and service agencies in 7 regions and provinces cities throughout China, forming a sales and service network in our country. The products are sold in bulk to Europe, America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and other countries and areas, and with high prices in the global market. Keep foothold in China, explore worldwide market. Jeidar adheres to the enterprise culture concept of sticking together to march ahead and advocates the enterprise spirit of bearing lofty ideas, assuming responsibilities, loving career, being adept in thinking, and ready to help people and enjoying life. All of this inject a constant vitality to the company. Jeidar create the working atmosphere of unity, respect, pursuit for truth, high efficiency, standard, transcendence, courtesy, warmth, and optimism, so that it can gather talent and make pragmatic efforts to make a relatively great development within short time. Keep foothold in China and explore the worldwide market. In the future, Jeidar will constantly promote industry and management through enterprise internationalization, intellectualization, standardization, and specification, and meet the future challenges with a brand new look and full confidence. We strive to cooperate with extensive customers and drive the company to steady advance towards the goal of becoming the international leading China professional power supply enterprise. As a goal of sincerity, mutual trust, communication, cooperation, we march ahead hand in hand.
Okay, guys, welcome back. Let's move on. Key technology. Adopting DSP for digital control, the system consistency and stability are higher. Design and application of new technology with output power factor is 1 and high efficiency general machine is greater than 96%. Advanced intelligent battery management. The charging current can be adjusted by 1 to 12 years to ensure the long service life of the battery. The overload and short circuit functions of super output ensure the stability and safety of the system under extreme conditions. Dot matrix LCD display shows the working state with friendly interface and convenient for customers to use. Central point. Adopt domestic chip on DSP for digital control. The system consistency and stability are higher. Three-stage for bridge circuit. In the three-level four-bridge inverter circuit, the voltage of DC U-bus is shared by two IGBT. The voltage of IGBT on each bridge arm is half of the input voltage of DC side. UR2 in the traditional two-stage IGBT. In the inverter circuit, only one IGBT supports DC bus voltage, and the voltage supported by IGBT on each bridge arm is directly the input voltage of DC side. Therefore, in the three-stage inverter circuit, IGBT states to turn on and off. The voltage at the power off terminal is half that of the two levels, which determines that the damage of the three-level IGBT switch is far less than the loss of the two-level switch. The output voltage and current performance are good. The output power factor is as high as 0.9. The overall efficiency is as high as over 91%, and the overall efficiency is as high as over 98.05%. Under the ECO energy saving mode, its energy saving and consumption reducing, leading the industry. At the same time, the three-level IGBT can make use of the heat treatment margin formed by its low switching loss characteristics to fully improve its own frequency and achieve stability and speed. In addition, because the switching loss of IGBT is low, the safe working area of IGBT with the same current capacity is also different. The third-level safe working area is obviously wider than the second-level safe working area. For example, when a circuit is short-circuited or an unusually large current flows instantaneously, the three-stage IGBT safe working area can withstand a large current for a longer time than the two-stage IGBT. IGBT has higher reliability and greater load capacity, thus improving the shortcoming that traditional two-stage UPS cannot carry inductive load. Central point characteristic of low temperature. Our BH series has passed the high temperature and low temperature operation tests of third-party CNAS laboratories. Under the same topology, BH series has been tested at a high temperature of 15.5 degrees Celsius and a low temperature of -25 degrees Celsius, and it works normally. Our company insists on the design concept of high reliability and high practicability from the beginning of the designing BH series high-frequency UPS, and insists on providing customers with the best experience. Details can be found in the attached temperature test report. Adjustable load part with independent ownership. BH series has adjustable charge under intelligent control. The charging current can be adjusted from 1 to 12 amp. It adopts constant charging, floating charging, and balanced charge technology to meet different charging needs of the customer and prolong battery life. Compared with the traditional mainframe with a charging current of 2 to 5 amp in the market, the battery has a higher degree of activation during charging and discharge, which elevates the crystallization of the battery electrolyte caused by excessive floating charging. At the same time, BH series also designed battery reverse connection, protection, and alarm indication to reduce accidents caused by installers. It can not only protect people from injury, but also protect UPS power supply and battery from damage and prolong battery life. This is a comparison between 123 kV and traditional UPS. This chart once again shows the efficiency and stability of the product. The project includes output power factor, overall efficiency of the machine, handle complex loads, investor topology, overall control digital chips, intelligent charging mode, high current load adjustment, battery switch detection. The screen display is a big selling point for us. We will talk about why later. This is similar to the 123 kV UPS parameter. Part 3. Analyze the appearance and display of products. The left is a tower structure, and right is a rock structure. The illustrate is includes corner 2.4-inch LCD display, LED running indicator light, inverter switch key, scroll down key, screen up key, enter, and so on. This is a 6 to 10 kV appearance description. Also is similar to the 123 kV UPS parameters. high-end version display includes broad screen, running state screen, and device setup panel, device information screen, and historical event cumulative screen and historical event screen. About the history event screen, I believe everyone in the industry knows that a small UPS has a problem. It will have a failed code. You only know that it has a problem now, but you don't know the case and effect and the specific fault point. So we designed a history page diagram. None of the current mainstream UPS have the function of recording the process from start up to failure. Based on this pain point, we added a new function. The last part, product parameter. I won't go into the detail of the subsequent product parameters one by one. You can take a rough look. Friends who are interested and can contact us by email. Thanks for your watching. In the next live broadcast, we will introduce another FC series product that is also selling very well. See you next time.